That is Kangaroo, Kanga and Roo, going at it to each other. Oh, there's Blue, tries to join in. That's Sir Galahad on the side there, just tearing the box up that they used to love when they were teeny kittens. Now they're just big kittens. Hello, Ling Ling. Hello, Ling Ling. Hello. Come on. Come on, Ling Ling. Do your little hello. Do your little hello. Hello. Hello, Ling Ling. Come on. Well, she's not going to do her little patting. She was doing it a minute ago where she waves. As you can tell, they're all having fun in their box. There's little Blue. Hello, Ling Ling. Hello. Hello. Come on. Hello. Come on. Oh, they're just all acting so crazy. Ling Ling. Ling Ling. Oh, there we go. There we go. Hello, Ling Ling. There you go. Oh, there you go. Pat out your legs. There you go. Come on. Come on. Pat your legs out. Come on. So funny. Her leg color is virtually identical on both sides except for just the one little pad on the left foot, left front. Okay. Oh, they're all going to join in now. It looks like they're all coming down. Oh, here we go. Oh, they're all having fun. Yes, they are. That King and Roo, I definitely named the two calicos. They're definitely like the almost twin sisters, but just both crazy. Here's Sir Galahad. Ling Ling's little butt sticking out of the box. Oh, Blue's going to get her tail. And now they're attacking over on the far side there. There we go. Okay, timeout.